Hello everyone, if you watch this video until the end, you're going to understand something really interesting about the air around you that most people completely miss. I'm going to show you why your bike tires actually grow and shrink on their own, and how you can use a simple balloon in your freezer to prove the laws of the universe right in your kitchen. Today we are looking at lesson 1.4, temperature and pressure. I'm going to show you why gases are the most dramatic state of matter. Showing you the tute on the left and the whiteboard on the right. So let's begin with the kinetic theory of the gases. The major secret of gas is that the gas particles move rapidly and randomly in all directions. As they move, they collide with each other. They also strike the inside surface. So every time a particle hits the wall, it gives a tiny push. The total push is what we call gas pressure. It's like 1,000 people throwing tennis balls at a wall. One ball doesn't do much, but 1,000 at once, that's pressure. So next, let's move on to the effect of temperature. To understand this, you can actually do an easy experiment at home right now. Take a blown up balloon and keep it in the freezer to check what happens when the particles are cooled down. When you take it out, it will look shriveled. Why? Because when you cool those particles, they lose energy and stop striking the wall so hard. So cooling means less energy and it hits the wall less. So the balloon shrinks. But watch as it warms back in the room. It grows. The particles wake up, hit the walls harder and push the balloon back out. So take a look at the tute on the left. The effect of temperature on gas particles are: when you heat up a gas, the kinetic energy increases. They move faster and hit the wall more frequently. So the pressure increases. So if the container is flexible like a balloon, the volume can increase. But what if the container is rigid like a cylinder? The volume would remain the same, but the pressure would increase. Like when you push a bicycle pump down, those particles get cramped. They have less running room, so they hit the walls much more often. Results? The pressure goes way up. It's just simple math. Less space equals more collisions. When you decrease the volume, more frequent hits. This causes an increase in pressure. Pause the video and try the questions on page 2. Car tires feel harder on hot days because particles strike the walls with more force. And if you double the pressure, you have squeezed the volume in half. And this is the exam tip. When writing your answers, always use the magic phrase, particles strike the inside surface. That's the golden ticket for marks. Examiners hate it when you say they vibrate, because they move randomly and rapidly. They do not vibrate. If this experiment made sense, like my video and subscribe the channel to continue the completely free course of science lessons. See you in the next one.